welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to edit a PDF in Google Drive. All right. Now I'm going to open up a PDF right here. As you can see, I have recently uploaded one. Now to be able to edit it, just go ahead and double click on it. And right here at the very top, you have the option to open it with Google Docs. Or when you click on the drop down, you have Lumen PDF or Doc Hub. If you want to, you can go ahead and click the plus sign to connect more apps. For example, I'm going to click on it. All right, and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and type in PDF right here to search bar. All right, as you can see, we have Adobe Acrobat. If you have an Acrobat subscription, you can go ahead and install it from here, and you can easily edit your PDF. All right, you have a ton of options here as well. Okay, just look for whatever works for you. Now, for example, I'm just going to use the Google Docs. Open with Google Docs right here. As you can see, we can just easily edit the particular PDF and save it from here. Hit on File. You can share it or make a copy, or you can go ahead and download it as a PDF file as well. Now, if you do want to share it, just click on Share right here. Click on it and this page will load. If you want to, you can go ahead and hit on anyone with a link. If not, if you just want to share it to a specific person, just go ahead and type it down right here. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.